8 tips for dating someone who has never been in a relationship. A step-by-step guide to dating someone new to the relationship. Navigating a relationship with someone who lacks prior romantic experience can pose challenges. These individuals may not be familiar with the stages of love or the intricacies of romantic dynamics. Engaging in a new dating experience might evoke sudden intense emotions or complexities in handling intimacy and love. Consequently, grasping their mindset and emotional responses becomes essential. Presented below are 8 tips for dating someone who lacks relationship experience. 1. Candid communication. When dating someone with no prior relationship experience, prioritize open and honest communication. Given that it's their first foray into romantic relationships, establishing a safe environment where they feel free to express their feelings and desires is crucial. 2. Don't rush. In a healthy relationship, patience plays a pivotal role. When dating someone inexperienced in relationships, pressuring them into intimacy can evoke anxiety and discomfort. Rushing the relationship may hinder intimacy and potentially lead to feelings of detachment from either party. Allowing the relationship to develop organically fosters a deeper and healthier connection. 3. Be supportive. Someone inexperienced in romantic relationships may struggle to openly express affection and love towards their partner, possibly avoiding emotional intimacy. Additionally, they might face various challenges in navigating their first romantic relationship. Supporting them involves exercising patience and giving them the necessary time to comprehend the intricacies of the bond. 4. Talk to them about boundaries. Someone inexperienced in relationships may struggle to grasp the nuances of romantic dynamics, potentially exhibiting possessive or clingy behavior due to their lack of prior experience. Conversely, it's important for the other individual to respect their pace and avoid placing excessive expectations on them. Engaging in open and flexible conversations can aid in navigating the emotional complexities inherent in a relationship. 5. Be empathetic and compassionate. In a relationship with someone unfamiliar with romantic interactions, displaying empathy takes on heightened significance. Empathetic communication fosters genuine understanding between partners. By demonstrating empathy towards someone new to dating, establishing a trustworthy and reliable connection becomes more attainable. The novelty of dating can lead to persistent doubts about actions and expressions of love. Therefore, extending empathy and compassion aids in their self-understanding and comprehension of their partner as well. 6. Do not set unrealistic expectations. When involved with someone inexperienced in dating, steer clear of establishing impractical standards. Anticipating them to intuitively understand implicit messages or demonstrate excessive affection can induce anxiety and distress. Unrealistic expectations often serve as a common catalyst for relationship breakdowns and conflicts. Avoid imposing pressure to reach relationship milestones or conform to specific expressions of love. 7. Acknowledge their efforts. A valuable piece of advice for dating someone inexperienced in relationships is to acknowledge and value their efforts within the relationship. Expressing appreciation for their contributions fosters a sense of security and importance for them. 8. Don't be prideful. When in a relationship with someone lacking experience, it's important to manage any ego or pride regarding your own dating history. Ego conflicts can damage intimacy and the connection between partners. Coping with a partner's ego can be emotionally draining. Continuously boasting about past dating experiences in your partner's presence creates detrimental dynamics in the relationship. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.